Do you know what February 14th is? That's right, it's Valentine's Day. And we're making these fun tie-dye Valentine's Day shirts. Let's make some together. Valentine's Day is named after Saint Valentine. I love giving out candy, flowers, and making Valentine's cards for all of my friends. To make our shirts, we need a white t-shirt and tie-dye paint. So many colors. Do you know all of them? Sometimes the same color has different shades, and they can be lighter or darker. Let's pick some of our favorites to use. I really like this deep pink. We could also call it magenta. Mommy called these colors aqua and coral. Here's green, purple, and orange. Red, yellow, and blue are called primary colors. They are the building blocks of all of the other colors. We want handprints on our shirts with some Valentine's Day words. We chose love, joy, and happy. To do this, have your mommy paint your hand with fabric paint and press it down firmly on the shirt. Be sure to hold your hand very still to avoid smudges. Rinse it off, then do it again. When it's dry, use puff paint for your words. Now, you and your mommy are going to fold up the shirt and tie rubber bands or string around it. There's no wrong way to do it. It can be as unique as you. Now, for the fun part. It's gonna get messy, so make sure you have something under your shirt. And paint away. Use as much paint as you want, and whatever colors you feel will look good. I love pink and blue together. So messy. My friend wants to add yellow and green. And here's where it all comes together. Gently unwrap your shirt. If you're wondering, yes, the name tie-dye comes from the fact that you are actually tying up your shirt, and the tied up part blocks the dye from getting to them. That is so pretty. These heart cutouts are another fun and really easy decoration you can make. And we get to practice writing more of our words. We need lots of construction paper for this. We also need glue and scissors. Paper scraps make fun confetti. We are also going to need crayons. This is a great time to practice our shapes too. We have a square, triangle, and circle already. Do you know what this shape we're coloring is? I'll give you a hint. It has two opposite sides that are the same length, but it's not a square. Rectangle. Now we're ready to start cutting. Watch these shapes our mommy is going to draw on our paper. First, she folded our piece of construction paper in half. Then, she drew a half of a heart. We are going to cut very carefully along the lines. Now, unfold it. It makes a perfect heart. Now, pick a colored crayon that will stand out on the color heart you chose. And pick a word that makes you feel happy. Can you guess what word I'm going to choose? It starts with a K. And it's what you call someone when they are acting very nicely. It's kind. Use the other part of the paper with a heart-shaped hole in it too. We chose more good words like gentle, strong, and smart, all the things that you are. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.